This junior drum set from Gammon Percussion is a true scaled-down kit with a real bass drum, tom, snare, and cymbal, so young players can learn on authentic gear rather than toy instruments. The shells are made from solid wood with sturdy hardware and a glossy purple finish, giving the kit a surprisingly robust feel that holds up well to enthusiastic practice sessions. Everything a beginner needs is included in the box, from the bass drum pedal and cymbal arm to the padded drum throne and starter drumsticks, so setup is straightforward for families new to drums. Despite being a complete kit, the compact footprint fits comfortably in a bedroom or small practice corner, making it practical for homes where space is at a premium. For its size, the drums produce a clear, punchy sound, and the layout keeps all pieces within easy reach, which helps children focus on timing, coordination, and basic technique. The included instructions and tuning key make the light assembly and initial setup manageable, turning the kit into a fun, confidence-building first instrument and a gift that encourages regular playing.